Hello guys, this is Technology and today we have a tutorial on how to clean your printer cartridges. Basically what happens is that sometimes you leave your printer unused for a long time and your cartridges tend to get clogged or dry. And you might think that your cartridge is over and you get it refilled or buy a new one. I mean, you get a refill basically, suppose. So it still doesn't work, and in this case what happens is that your cartridge is actually clogged, or you can say dry, and I'm gonna show you a short tutorial on how you can unclog your cartridge in a very easy way. For this experiment, for this tutorial, I'm gonna use a HP DeskJet F4200 all-in-one printer. You will need a bowl half filled with water like this, and a cloth or a tissue paper. So first, get your cartridge out. I'm gonna take my color cartridge out. Now dip it in the bowl of water and ensure that this bowl should contain warm water, almost like boiling water, around boiling water temperature, and just dip it halfway through so that it's just like so, dipped like so. I think you can see. Oops. Anyways, keep it in this position for about 10 minutes or so. 10 minutes will be fine, and after that's done, you can just remove the cartridge and wipe it with the cloth or the tissue paper. Wipe it nicely and ensure that it's totally dry, because you don't want to be putting a wet cartridge inside that could damage your printer. Just ensure that you remove all the moisture from the cartridge, and after that, after you know that it's all dry and clean, you can insert it back inside, and you should be getting the cartridge working now. Now, I've tried this many times and this has helped me a lot, so I don't think there should be any problem with this. I've done it several times and the printer was printing again and the cartridge was working fine. I was getting excellent prints. They were not fuzzy or blurry. They were all clear, and yeah, they were all good. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe, comment, and hit the like button. It will really help me out. Thanks for watching again. See you next time.